Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to find downloaded files in Google Chrome. So firstly, go to your Chrome browser first. Then you have to click on three dot icon, which is top right corner. You can see at the cursor, right? This three dot icon, click on this and you'll find here these downloads. Click on downloads and you can see the downloaded file here. You have to click on three dot and you have to click on show in folder. Then you can see your downloaded path or the folder you want to. Now another thing is, you can see here this three dot icon. Click on this and go to open downloads folder and it will open the downloads folder from here. Okay, so this is how you can understand where is your file going or where is the download local path. So guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.